In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminder in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to drop quick reminders right into your pages. Adjust them on the fly, and make sure the right people get notified at the right time. Start by opening any Notion page where you want a reminder to live. In the body of the page, right where you'd normally type your notes, type the @ symbol followed by the word remind. Then add a date or time. For example, you can type "remind tomorrow" to get a reminder for the next day. If you want something more specific, try remind 12/5, 2020. 6:10 a.m. for a particular date and time. Natural language also works. So remind next Friday at 3 p.m. is perfectly fine. As soon as you press space or continue typing, Notion will convert that text into a little inline reminder tag. You'll see the date and time right there in your content, so it stays connected to the context of your notes. If you need to make changes, just click the reminder text. A small editor will pop up where you can adjust the date, fine-tune the time, or even change the time zone. This is especially helpful if you are traveling or collaborating across regions. Don't worry if your plans shift, the reminder is the quickest way to reschedule without rewriting anything. Confirm your changes and the reminder updates instantly in place. You can also use reminders to notify people. If you want to alert yourself or a teammate, mention the person and the reminder together. Type the @ symbol, select the person's name from the list, then add a space and type "remind tomorrow." The mention links the reminder to that person, so they receive the alert when it's due. This is great for delegating follow-ups or nudging someone about a deadline without leaving the page you are working in. A quick recap. Type remind with a clear date or time directly in your notes to create the reminder. Use natural phrases like tomorrow or next Friday at 3 p.m. Or set a precise date and time like 12/5, 2020, 6:10 a.m. Click the reminder to edit the date, time, or time zone whenever you need. And if you want someone to be notified, mention them before the reminder. Like their name remind tomorrow. That's all you need to keep your tasks and deadlines front and center, right where your work already lives. Try adding a reminder to your current page, experiment with a couple of formats, and click to tweak the timing until it fits your schedule. Thanks for watching.